But the reason that you see her children have such a love for her is because we watched her struggle for years. You know, when we were younger, I mean, it was a lot that went on while we were younger. Some of you may know, some of you don't know, but we had like a 5 maybe to 6 year period where we really watched our mother go through a lot. I mean, we were living in Watts. We were in a house with no heat, no hot water, no carpet. In order to get to the mosque, we would walk about a mile through Watts, down 103rd, past 2 different projects.
Wow.
In suit and bow tie, white garment.
Oh.
I mean, we didn't have money to catch that one bus.
Wow.
We had to just take that walk and then take the train to the mosque. So, you know, I saw my mom go through that, and then watching her put all of us through private school,
Yep.
nickels and dimes with no job. I mean, she was creating businesses, and we seriously watched her struggle to put everything into her children. So you're more than just a mother. You know, you are an amazing figure. You are
That's right.